Hi, my name is Riley. I'm a teenager with clinical depression, and this is what a day looks like for me. This is what the room is looking like. I have a lot of things to do, as you can tell. I have not been feeling well recently, and it's just gotten kind of gross. So our goal right now is just to clean that up as much as possible. Like right now, I have a lot of laundry, but it's already in the washer, and this is my other dirty clothes that I just found because I like to pile my things where I can't see them because it makes me have less stress. First things first, we need to start with the bed because I just realized I don't have a top sheet. So this is our top sheet. I don't really like the way it feels, but I'm not sleeping directly on it, so I don't really care. Right now, just gotta put it on. Yeah, so I was gonna do like a cute little transition, but then I realized like this is going underneath all of my bedding, so that wasn't gonna work. Yeah. Oh my god. I just hit myself in the face with a pillow. Huh. So I found a bonnet. And I found sleeping shorts. Okay. Yeah. This is what the little scrunchy sheet looks like. I don't actually know what it's called, but that's what I call it because it has the little scrunchies. Okay, we successfully got the sheet on. Yeah. Now I have to do the comforter. Okay, we got that done. Now I want to assemble. Ow! I just stepped on my retainer. Anyway, now I want to assemble my bed to make it look nice. Okay, all done. And now I just want to put some perfume thing on it. This is what the room is looking like now. I hope it gets better. So I went through a bag and I found a lot of my jewelry. So I'm trying to look for a jewelry box. Go to part 2.